That's the best handheld vacuum you can ever find for your car. It's made by Fantic. This thing has 2 settings, a high and a low. It gets every single piece of dirt and dog hair you might have in your car. This is the attachment that I love because it has this rubber right here. So it scrapes up everything and then sucks it in here. You guys, this thing is powerful. It obviously charges. It comes with a lot of other different attachments. Just look on the link to see what else it comes with. This is the only one that I use because it works the best. Excellent gift idea if you need to get a dude or a girl something to keep in their car to get all the dirt up. This thing is amazing. I'm gonna link it right there by my username. Check that link because you can also maybe have some extra coupons to get a better deal on it.